Greetings, gents. I'm geofatboy for shavenation.com. Have you ever wondered if you could take your 34C and make it adjustable? The workhorse of the industry, could there be such a thing? There is such a thing. And it just came today. Actually, late last night. The 34C that we all know and love, now adjustable. It's got numbers and notches at the bottom from 1 to 5, and the lines, the notches, are the half increments in between. And very important, just like the Progress razor, see this? That line on the top cap, that arrow on the base plate, they have to line up. On this side, nothing. On this side, make sure they're lined up so it works properly. The way it works, unscrew the dial counterclockwise to the left until it breaks free. Take it out, load your blade. Where can I get a blade from? Oh, here we go. I'll steal one from this slant bar. Drop your blade over the threaded post and the pins. Reinstall the top cap. Just drop that post into the hole. Turn the dial. Make sure, yep, I got it aligned properly. Tighten it all the way down. See that? It's aligned properly. Line, arrow, matching. Now once you've got it tightened all the way down, it'll be on the 1 setting, which is the lowest, least aggressive setting. From there, spin it to the left to whatever your desired number would be. 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, all the way up to 5. And as you turn to the left, the gap opens and creases. That will increase the aggressiveness of your shave. So 1, low setting, that'll be a mild shave. All the way up to 5 will be a more aggressive shave, which I'm getting ready to do right now. I'll give you some specs on this razor. It is 2-piece safety razor, closed comb head design. The line on the top cap must align with the arrow on the base plate when you use it. The adjustable blade gap goes from 0.6 to 1.6 millimeters. Weight, 3.25 ounces or 92 grams. The overall length from top to bottom, 3.8 inches or 88 millimeters. It includes 1 Merkur razor blade so you can shave right away. Honorably designed and made in Germany. And we have them at Shave Nation right now. Go to shavenation.com, it's at the very top. We also have another surprise right next to it. If you go just to the right on the top of the website, you'll see another cool surprise too. We got a whole bunch of new surprises coming from Merkur in the next few days. We have a limited supply, so if you want one, don't hesitate.